Let's start Lab 7, perform enumeration using various enumeration tools. Now this is part of Module 4, enumeration. So in this lab, we will demonstrate how to use global network inventory tool to perform agent-free audits of target machine, extracting details like OS information, BIOS, users, groups, services, and other things. So we are already on Windows 11, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the Start button and search for Global Network Inventory and click on Yes here. And in the agreement, I'm going to click on I agree. I'm going to go ahead and close the tip of the day. So in the new wizard, new audit wizard, I'm going to go ahead and click on Next. And then here, I'm going to do a single address scan. Now you can do an IP range, but I'm going to go with a single address and I'm going to type the details. Now under the name, I'm actually going to go ahead and type the IP address as mentioned in the instruction. 1.22, click on Next. So here, the credentials. So I'm going to go ahead and connect as and type in the username and password. So in reality, attackers don't know the credentials on the remote computer, so they usually go with connect as currently logged on user. But since this is a demonstration, we are going to go with administrator and password. Let me type it. So I've typed in the username and password. I'm going to click on next. Now in this page, I'm going to leave it as it is and I'm going to go ahead and click on finish. Now let the scan complete. All right, the scan is completed, and here if we come under the scan summary, we will be able to see the machine name, all right, and other information. So if you just put your mouse on this result, you will see the details there that says the host name, the domain, the IP address, and other information. And if you go ahead and click on the operating system, all right, I've clicked on operating system, and then if I put my mouse over here I will find information about my operating system. All right, so it has the build number and other things, and it is Windows Server 2022. Let's go to the BIOS tab. Now, once I click on the BIOS tab, you put your mouse over here, you will find details about your BIOS. Now, if you go to NetBIOS, you will be able to view those information here on the NetBIOS. All right, now there is a tab called Users Group. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Users Group here. Now here you will see a lot of these groups. Just hover your mouse over the groups and you will be able to see the details about it. There is also a Users tab. So these are the different users. So you can just hover your mouse on this users to know the details, what privilege they have. They also have a Services tab. So all the services will be displayed here. Just hover your mouse over the services. You will see the details. You also have a tab called Installed Software. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this Installed Software. So here you can see the details of any software that has been installed on the machine. You have a Shares tab that basically shows all the shares that are on this machine. So you can just go ahead and put your mouse on it to find the details. Now, there's a lot of tabs. You can just go ahead and click on each of these tabs and you will can explore a lot of information. That brings us an end to lab number 7, perform enumeration using various enumeration tools. Let's go ahead and answer the question. Perform enumeration using global network inventory and find the full name of the OS installed on the machine at 10.10.1.22. So for that, we need to go into the tab that's called as operating system. And if I put my mouse over here, it says Microsoft Windows Server 2022 standard. Let me type that. All right, I've typed that operating system name and it is correct. That brings us an end to this lab. Thank you.